Hello everyone. So in the last video we just compiled this code and due to the time lag we stopped it there. So in this video we will simply demonstrate the scenario and see whether it is working or not. Okay, so I'm going to use Tinkercad while I'm expecting you to do with the real Arduino connected with the pin number 7 connected with the LED, right? So I have an inbuilt scenario, so you can see pin number 7 is connected to the LED and the LED is going to ground. Okay, so forgive me for my this connection diagram. Just focus on the code, okay, and the scenario. I'll check it. How many things it is asking? Okay, I'll paste my code here. Okay, and I'm expecting, since x is equal to 6, I'm expecting the LED to be on. Okay, I'll simulate and see. Okay, you see the LED is on. Okay guys, if you want I can stop the simulation and redo again. Now the LED is off because I stopped it. I will switch on the simulation. Notice LED, see, it became on, right? So what does that mean? This condition x is greater than 5 is true, so that the program has come inside this code 7, right? So that it is switched on, and again the program is going to repeat, since void loop is repetitive, okay, and it is going to switch on again and again. But since we have switched on first time and we never switched off, okay, it will remain on always. You understand what I'm telling? Somewhere down, if you switched it off, if you switch the LED off, again during the next iteration, since this is true, LED will be switched on. You understand what I'm telling? LED is always switched on. I mean, we are repeatedly switching on, but since we have switched on one time and we never switched off, it remains switched on. Okay, because in the Arduino, always if you want something to happen, you have to explicitly say, separately say, okay, digital write sound low, like that. Okay, so just don't worry, this became true, so this is on. Okay guys, you understand this, right? Switch on, never switch off scenario. Okay, so let's try to change this value and see what happens. Okay, I'll stop the simulation. Okay, I will try to change the value to 4. That means what? This condition become false. X is greater than 5 is false because 4 is less than 5, not greater than 5. So that means I am expecting this code is not get into this scenario and go to the next line. Okay, so I will write a serial communication in the next line so that I can make sure this is skipped and the next line is implemented. Okay, so yes, before that we will demonstrate it and see and then do that, right? So first we will make sure this is not running. Okay, this is skipped. Okay, because I changed the value to be 4, right? So I copy this directly, immediately copy this and I paste it here. Okay, now I don't want the LED to be on according to my logic. Okay, let's see, simulation has started but still the LED is off. You understand? It's not on. It will on when if I change the x value to be more than 5. You want to see immediately? Yes, we can see. I'll stop the simulation. I will make it 6 and I will redo the simulation and you will see the LED is on. You see, LED is on, right? It's very clear, right? Okay, so now what I will do is I will just to confirm you, okay, this is skipped and the next line will be running. Let's have a serial communication scenario, right? So I will write serial dot begin 9600. Okay, and I will say 2 lines. Okay, here serial dot, okay, how do you do that, guys? Serial dot println, I forgot it. Serial dot println, I will say before the if condition, just for you to get some clear idea about the scenario, right? What happens in the code. I will say before the if condition, okay, and here inside the x is greater than 5, I will say here, do we have to say something? Right, we don't need to say anything, okay, because we have the LED scenario, right? And then after this here we will say after the if condition. Okay, and also here also we can have another line. That's fine, right? And we will say inside the if condition. Okay, so now you can clearly notice how the code flow is happening. Okay, so before, inside and after. Okay, I'm taking it, so here I will make it true. I will make 6, so I am expecting x is greater than 6 is true. So from our logic, this will come here, this should be printed, and this, since this is true because x is 6 now, we should print the inside if condition, and we should switch on the LED, and we will end the if condition, and we will do the after the if condition scenario, and we will again repeat it. Okay, it should happen. Okay, because x is greater than 5 is true. Okay, so I will copy this and I will paste it here. Oh my god, what is happening? Okay, fine, all good, right? And I will start the simulation. I will open my serial monitor anyway. All good, right? Okay, let's note this what happens. Okay, you see before the if condition, now inside the if condition, LED is on. After the if condition, because the next line is also running. Okay, so before the if condition, inside the if condition, and we switch on the LED because everything is happening very fast, right? So you don't see the difference. Okay, we switch on the LED, and after the if condition is running, and the program is coming here, and the program is repeating. You see it? Before, inside, after, everything is happening. That means x is greater than 5 is true, and the code is getting into here because it is being printed, and also LED is on. Okay, so let's change the x value. Okay, I will stop this. Clear this. Oh, rather than this in your real Arduino and LEDs, you will see it very clearly, right? Here you can see one by one it is being typed, but in the real Arduino and this real monitor, you will see it very fast. Okay, this delay will not be there. Okay, I'll stop it, and let's make it false. I will make the x to 4 again, so that it's 4. Okay, now by what we have studied, we should know. Okay, this should be printed if condition, before if condition, and this should be skipped because these two lines are inside these two curly braces inside the if condition. Okay, so since this is false, now the evaluation is false, this have to be skipped, and the next line should be running. Okay, so what is the next line? I will remove the empty line. Next line is after the if condition, so we are expecting this to be printed, and this to be skipped, and this to be printed, and the LED should be LED should be off. Okay, so these two should be repeatedly printed while the LED is off. Okay, if what we studied about this behavior of the if condition is correct, this should happen, right? So I will copy this, I will clear this, I will paste it. Okay guys, and I'm going to run it. Okay, I'm not doing so much slow, I'm doing it a little fast because we have studied to some extent, right? All good, right? Okay, so I'll start the simulation and see. Okay, so before the if condition is printed, after the if condition is printed, and they are repeatedly printed, and the LED is also off, not switching on. So that means we can notice two things: LED is not on, LED is off, and also the inside the if condition is not printed. So that means what? This code piece is not running, or in other words, this if condition code or if condition area, okay, the code inside the if condition is skipped, or in other words, this if is skipped because this was false. So we'll skip everything from this line to this line. Okay, so from line number 14 to 17, or everything within these two curly braces are skipped, they are not running. Okay, that piece of code will not be executed, it will be skipped. That is why we are having this and this, I mean the code that is outside of the if condition, before and after. See, before the if condition and after the if condition, inside the if condition is not printed and the LED is off. This is totally fine, right? So, and it is repeating. Okay, every time it is false because x is 4 is never changed anywhere, so it is always false. Okay guys, so I hope you understood how the code flow works now. Okay guys, so if you don't understand, just rewatch the video guys. I will catch you up in the next video with more detailed things and advanced stuffs. Okay guys, until then, consider subscribing us and stay safe guys.